Okay, open up this dishwasher, see what we can see. What is that? Some kind of paper, tinfoil, something. The drain is full of all kind of garbage. I can't really get a good look. They didn't clean the dishes out before they put them in there, I guess. It ain't a garbage disposal. I dig into it further and see. I think it's stopped up. Okay, see what we got here. Looks like a penny or something down there. And leaves. I can't imagine what all that is in there. More paper and stuff. This thing's been abused. Wow. See if I can't pull that out of there. Yeah, that's a penny. It's corroded. Definitely a penny. Alright. This thing can't drain if it's full of all this. That's a straw cover for a drinking straw. I don't know what all's in there. Wow. Wow. I want to know why the dishwasher ain't working. Wow. This is really hard stuff. I mean, you got to empty the beans and stuff off your plate. That feels like a rock. What else do I see in here? Just full of corrosion and stuff, so I'm gonna dig into it further and see what I see. Okay, I've taken this thing apart, taken it out of the dishwasher. Of course, you have to take the whole dishwasher out to take this part out. But this sits right in the bottom below your dishes. You got a little strainer down here you pick up. But if you can tell, that is so corroded with paper trash and some kind of hair or something, and there's just no way for it to filter through. So I think I can get this all cleaned up real good, and I believe it'll run, because water just can't go through these little filters around these edges here and through the bottom. So it just needs a real good cleaning, and hopefully the the tenant is not going to do this again, but they denying everything, and I guess but you can't deny evidence. All right. Okay, we'll take this filter off. And look at that. Ugh. Great time of day. Look at that. Whoo-wee. Wasn't washing dishes good. I can see why. Man. Ugh. Anyways, we're going to get this cleaned up. Okay, so I took this housing out right here and washed it down and cleaned it real good with Clorox. And the screen, if you can see through it now. There's a few little dots in there, but for the most part, it will drain. It will clean. I scrubbed on this thing with Clorox for 2.5 hours. So all it does is need some maintenance. I bet you I'll put this thing back together and it's going to work like brand new. You just watch. Okay, I've put this dishwasher back together and brought it back in the house and installed it right in its slot like it's supposed to. Done a couple of test runs and everything in it, and I tell you, it runs like brand new. Job well done. So this is how you fix your dishwasher. If it's running, but it's not washing dishes, this is the problem right here. And please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.